Alright, so I managed to get the camera turned around. I am such a retard when it comes to this. Okay, so let me get you in closer here. That's the 3D part. Oh, let me turn my light off. Hold on. Okay, there we go. That's the 3D part I was telling you about. Isn't that cool? So you got all this around the outside. That one purple petal is trying to run away. So I think it turned out pretty cool. I like it. So I'm going to go find a place for this to dry and put this box away. And I'm going to prime another canvas. And I'm going to use this with these colors for a canvas. And hopefully I can get it all in one video without screwing it up. I apologize for 3 separate videos. If anybody knows of an app for a phone where you can videotape I can't talk, where you can tape your thing on YouTube or have it available to send to YouTube and pause it and also be able to splice videos together, let me know. That would be great. And then also export it straight from that app. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign out for now. We'll get this on YouTube. And I'm going to come back with another video on a canvas with all these colors. So it could be cool. Talk to you all later. Bye-bye.